Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today I am going to be doing an almost whole house clean with me. I don't get to the bathrooms in this video, but the rest of the house will get a nice deep clean. So I am going to be starting out this video in my laundry room. I just had to put a load of my kids' clothes into the wash. I don't know what is going on, but they both keep wetting through their diapers at night. I think it's time to size up. So I've been doing tons of laundry lately, and that is always the first thing to do on my to-do list. So a little background story about what is happening on my stairs. I was getting ready this morning, and I usually have my kids upstairs with me while I get ready, and they kind of just run around and play and do whatever. And my son had grabbed the box of Baby Shark cereal from the countertop, and he ended up turning the box upside down, and all the cereal dumped from the bottom of the stairs all the way up to the top, and then it was just all over the hallway. And then of course, them being kids, they started smashing and playing in it, and at this point I was already running late for the morning, and I was like, you know what, just have at it, you guys are entertained. I was already gonna have to clean it up when I got home anyways, so that is what you guys are gonna see me working on. I'm just gonna pick up all of this cereal and then try to vacuum up as much as I can. I feel like even though I vacuumed this carpet a bunch of times, there's still like little speckles of cereal in it, but I did the best that I could.
Yeah, I'm going all night, I don't need to stop. Yeah, I can't wait to hit that bass drop.
And then you're just gonna see me switching the laundry from the wash to the dryer before I ran upstairs to vacuum up all the cereal.
Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shower. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. Cause I'm just an accident waiting.
So now that that chaos is all cleaned up, I can work on getting all of this stuff off of the bottom of the stairs. I do this all the time. I put anything that needs to go upstairs on the stairwell, and then it sits there for like 7 to 10 business days, and then everybody's tripping all over it, and I'm like, you know what? It's time to clean it up. So once I've brought everything upstairs, I will go through each room and put the things away. This day, I just had so many little piles of clothes that I had been doing throughout the week that I had not put away. I think that is my least favorite part about laundry, is having to put the clothes away. I don't really mind doing the laundry and then folding them. I just, for some reason, I cannot put them away.
Could I be so stupid? Yeah, I feel so useless. You deserve better than this. And I will try to fix it. Take me back into your arms.
So once I am done tidying up the master bedroom, I am just going to make our bed really quickly, and then you will see me dusting off the blinds as well as our dresser, and then I will be vacuuming in here as well.
Back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Give me one more chance. Give me one more chance. promise I'll try. Try to make you happy, be the best I can be. Oh, 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 oh. I'll do everything for ya. Ain't nothing that I wouldn't do, 'cause you deserve better than this. And I will try to fix it.
Once I'm done with our bedroom, I do like to straighten up the bathroom when I clean our bedroom, just so the whole entire room is nice and clean. I don't deep clean the bathroom, I just clean off our vanity. I feel like even just doing something this minimal makes the space feel so much cleaner.
Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Give me one more chance. Give me one more chance.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless.
And then, like I said, you will just see me vacuuming our bedroom, and then I do run into the kids' bedroom and vacuum them as well. I don't deep clean the kids' bedrooms. They don't really get all that dirty. All my kids do is sleep in their rooms. They don't really play or anything because they're still too little. So I don't really have to clean in here very often.
Run away with me, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird.
So moving downstairs, I am just going to pick up all of the toys that are lying around in the living room. If you guys have been around here for a while, you know that my son likes to line all of his cars and trucks up on our couch, and then they just sit there for however long until one of us picks them up. So you are just going to see me doing that. And then I am going to be dusting in here as well. It had been a few weeks since I've dusted in here, and it just really needed to be done.
Like a melody, flowing melody. Love me like a stranger. Let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger.
So once I am all done with that, you will just see me vacuuming in here, and you will see my kids running around like crazy people. They love the vacuum cleaner. That is one thing that I'm happy about. I'd rather them love it than hate it, and you will just see them trying to attack it the whole time.
I know it's been a while since I held you in my arms. And I wasn't ready yet to learn how to live without you. How could I let you go when I am still in love with
Moving into the kitchen, I'm just going to go ahead and do these dishes that are sitting in the sink. That is what I always start with whenever I head into the kitchen. That way I can just kind of work myself around the rest of the kitchen once those are done.
I've been trying to change my mindset, but I'll admit I'm not that good at it. Not one day goes by without me thinking about you, 'cause it's been so long since I held you in my arms.
And then my favorite part, washing the sink. And my favorite way to do this always is just using a little bit of dish soap and then some vinegar and water mixture for the drain. I swear by this, it gets rid of all of those nasty, yucky odors, and I haven't had any issues since I started doing this.
I'm still in love with you.
Once I'm done with that, I am just going to straighten up the rest of the countertops and then wipe them down so that they're nice and clean.
Driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna.
And of course, what is a kitchen deep clean without cleaning your stainless steel appliances? I have to do this every couple of days only because my kids are constantly touching the stainless steel with their sticky, yucky hands, and then you can just see handprints all over the place, and it really bothers me after a while. So of course I have to clean them.
And we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to.
And then the last thing that I'm going to do in the kitchen is steam mop. I did sweep before I started steam mopping in here. I don't want you guys to think I'm gross. I just really hate sweeping, so I didn't really feel like filming myself doing it. But I will say I love, love, love the steam mop. I cannot say enough good things about it. I got it a few weeks ago and I cannot stop using it. I think it is amazing. you guys, that is going to be it for this whole house clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to get some stuff done around your house this weekend. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
And we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance.